Hello students, so we have a question from determinants and matrices from JEE 2023. It says let alpha and beta be real numbers. Consider 3 cross 3 matrix capital A such that two equations are given. A square equal to 3 times A plus alpha times I and A power 4 is equal to 21A plus beta I. Then what is the correct value of alpha or beta? So let us go through the solution. Let us understand the concept. What we will do, we will use the equation for a square, that is given a square equal to 3 times a plus alpha I, and using this equation we will try to find the value of a power 4. And then we already have one equation given for a power 4, and therefore we can compare the two equations and we will get the answer. Let us understand. A square is given as 3a plus alpha I. We can square on both the sides. A square will become a power 4, and on the RHS we can use a plus b the whole square. So if we use that, we will get the equation of a power 4 as 9a square plus 6 alpha a plus alpha square I. Now in this we can see there is one term as a square. So we will resubstitute the value of a square from given question, that is 3a plus alpha I. So if we resubstitute, we will get a power 4 is equals to 9 times a 3a plus alpha I plus 6 alpha a plus alpha square I. On rearranging the terms, we take the terms with a on one part and the terms with I on the other part. So we will get a power 4 as 27 plus 6 alpha times a plus 9 alpha plus alpha square times I. Now this equation of a power 4 can be compared with the given equation of a power 4, which says 21 times a plus beta I. So clearly the coefficient of a, that is 27 plus 6 alpha, should be equal to the coefficient of a, that is 21, and coefficient of I, that is 9 alpha plus alpha square, should be equal to coefficient of I, that is beta. So if we solve the first equation, we get the value of alpha as minus 1. And if we substitute this value of alpha minus 1 here, we get the value of beta as minus 8. So we can see that beta equal to minus 8, option 2 is correct. Option 1, 3 and 4 all are wrong. So therefore beta equal to minus 8, option 2 is correct. Thank you.